Mitch Evans very quick after the first 2 sectors. Mitch Evans is flying. Hesitant coming into 20 across the line, and it's second place for Evans. Here, Alex Lind does a good job to slot into 8th place.
Here he goes, Mitch Evans.
1 pole under his belt in Zurich last year, as we say.
That was very impressive.
Through the final corner, Evans goes fastest.
He won half a second clear of Lopez.
All 5 lights are on, and we go green in Rome.
Mitch Evans is just kind of stalking Andre Lotterer, isn't he?
Look how close it is for the lead of the race. The Jaguar's looking good.
Mitch Evans is leaving nothing on the table.
Down towards turn 10.
Almost there. He's got to go for it.
It's too far back. Surely there's contact, and Lotterer, is he in the wall? Evans is through. Evans is in the lead of the race. It is very much advantage Mitch Evans.
Bring it home, bring it home.
Bring it home is the message to Mitch Evans. For him and for Jaguar. Mitch Evans through the final corner to win the Rome Prix for Jaguar.
Yes!
It's a very special feeling. I'm extremely proud to obviously get the first victory for everyone at Jaguar. Just want to thank everyone for the support and obviously the belief in me, but it's very proud for me to represent the brands and reward them with a victory. So it's obviously a tough couple of years, but the guys have worked so hard. To reward them with that is very special. So hopefully it's first of many.
Really earned and really worked hard to get this victory, and proud that we put Jaguar back on the top step of the podium.
Unfortunately, we had to start right at the back, but we came through, made 10 places up. I mean, and that does just how competitive the car was today. I mean, but I think all in all, just an amazing day for the team.